Okay, the wheels just showed up. Today is March 11th. I got notified on February 11th, so what is that? 28 days and 11, 39 days, 40 days, I guess. I'm probably doing the math wrong because I'm so excited. All right, so big boxes are the 12s, small boxes are the 9.5s. So let's get these guys open. All right, so double boxed, packaged nicely. Super excited about this. It started with me working with a guy with the CAD designs myself, based on what I wanted. All right, that's pretty cool. Let's get them out. Here we go. So it's red with a carbon fiber lip. Oh. Yeah. I'm shaking. I'm excited here. Oh. So I want to cover lugs. All right, let's go. This is supposed to be, yeah, there it goes. Nice, thread it. There we go. And then lugs. Yes, sirree, Bob. Let's take this red outside. I'm so excited. All right, I'm interested in the 9.5 too. Let's check the red versus my red. It's been raining a lot. My BC Forge wheels are dirty. Everything's dirty. Yeah, I'm not mad. Oh, yes. Yes, sirree, Bob. Ooh, she's a dirty girl. Those wheels are gonna look fantastic. Oh, I gotta drive this thing. My wife hates it though. Okay. The only time I drive is to go train jiu-jitsu every night. Oh my God, that's so pretty. So freaking pretty. Okay. All right, so the whole design aspect was, it's the same offset as my wheels, but I wanted a like a fake lip. So when I'm driving down the road, it looks like I've got a massive lip on the truck. So let's take a look at this again. This is the same exact lip. So if you look here, that's the lip I truly have, right from the face. Took a while for everybody in the CAD design to understand what I wanted. But you'll notice that, yeah, it's about the same lip. But I created them with an optical illusion that it's got a massive lip without having to shorten the axle, narrow the diff, and do all the things. So by having a spoke deal and then having the face as far back as it possibly could, which means a three-piece wheel, right? And then moving the spokes away from the edge there. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to get these on. That's gonna be such a cool look. All right, let's get the 9.5 open. It doesn't have as much because it's only a 9.5, but let's see. Okay, 9.5. Now, just a reminder, the 12, that'll fit on any F-150 with no modifications other than moving your rear shocks inside the frame. So you can fit a 12 and it'll 100% fit. You know, I had to do some roll on the inside fender, et cetera, but it works. Now this is a 9.5. This will fit on any F-150 and it's tucked more. This is a plus 40, so it's tucked more. That means that it's closer to your frame, which means I have less steering lock. I'm looking at notching the front of the frame vertically to allow more room, but same deal. Like if you're rolling down, people will just see that lip. They'll think you've got a nice sized lip on the truck, even though the face is pushed out further. So the optical illusion of a lip. Now that being said, I'm an idiot because I did these, and I'm gonna buy Raptor fenders here pretty soon, front and bedsides, aftermarket. And I'm gonna go wide body in the truck. I've determined to do it. So I'll end up selling these or space them out for a while and then selling them. But the front wheels will look like the back wheels, and the back wheels will have another 3-inch outside. So that'll be pretty sick. But I'm so happy, and I designed these. I didn't knock off somebody else's shit. Like I came up with this of my own free will, working with a guy with CNC, and then took it to Ida, which I'll share her information with a screenshot in the video. And this is me. And by the way, that's the logo on my truck. We call it Quake because the truck was a trimmer. It's a Ford F-150 trimmer, 2014 F-150 trimmer. It's a special build. It was a regular cab short bed V6 with a lariat interior. Oh, let's do it. There it is. Come on, Quake. So instead of a trimmer, it's a Quake now. It's a full-on, you know, Quake. You get it. It's a joke. Play on words. Man, that's gonna look so much better with that lip on there. Yes. All right. Anybody want some BC4s? 22 9.5 and 22 by 12s? Let me know. They'll be for sale.